Today I'm going to show you a simple way to make a reliable face shield. This is how it looks. To make a face shield, you'll need these materials: 3/4 inch plastic hanger straps, 4-inch cable ties, medium-sized hair elastics, and transparent binding covers. You'll also need a pair of scissors and an olive optional but not required. You can buy these materials in a local store or online, such as Home Depot, Walmart, or Amazon. You can find purchase links in the description. Step 1, we are going to cut 2 strips of hanger strap with 22 holes each. You can use the first one as a template for the second one. For safety, we are going to trim the corners of each strip. This is what the ending should look like. Do the same with the other strip. Step 2, we are going to take the 2 hanger straps and align the first hole of the outer one with the 4th hole of the inner one. We'll take a zip tie and insert it through the 5th hole and out through the 4th hole. Now make sure when you connect the zip ties, as here, you want to align the larger side of the block with the tail. Then we are going to do the same with the other side. We are also going to cut off the ends of the zip ties. Step 3, we are going to take a hair elastic. You can feel the hard part on the hair elastic. You want to cut there. And then we'll insert it into the first hole on each side. If you are having trouble with inserting the hole, you can use scissors to help push it through. Then we are going to tie a knot on this side. And do the same with the other side. Step 4, we are going to trim the corners of the transparent binding cover. Next, we are going to attach our transparent binding cover to the hanger strap. Skip 2 holes from the zip tie and leave enough room on this side so that the same amount can be left on the other side. And leave 3/4 inch of space above the hanger strap. So we are going to take our awl and we're going to punch 2 holes. Then we are going to take a zip tie and put it through those holes. Push it through the front hole first. We are then going to do the same on the other side. And then we are going to secure it in the middle. Then we cut off the extra parts of the zip ties. Now the face shield is done. It is simple and easy.